In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Lycamobile SIM card on an iPhone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. After you acquire a Lycamobile SIM card and phone number, you will be able to use it on any device, including an iPhone. First, make sure that the SIM card is properly slotted into your device. This is the same for all models of iPhone, but the position of the SIM tray might be different. For newer iPhone models, you will find it on the left side, as you can see on the image that I'm showing you on screen. But for older models, you might see it at the right side. Regardless of the position of the SIM tray, what you have to do is look for it, and using the tool that came with your iPhone, make sure that the SIM tray is properly slotted with the Lycamobile SIM card. With that step out of the way, all that you have to do afterwards is turn on your iPhone, and the SIM card should be detected immediately as long as it is verified and active. You can go ahead into the cellular or mobile data and enable it if you want to use internet or roaming internet on your phone. And by using the latest version of the Lycamobile app, you can manage your plans and the balance on your account. But for the most part, there are no hard prerequisites. Just make sure that it is slotted correctly into the slot and that you verified and activated it through the website or the mobile app. Once you are done, everything will work. You can use your Lycamobile plan, internet, make calls, manage your balance, etc. Using your Lycamobile SIM card on an iPhone is super simple as long as you slot it correctly. You can then turn on mobile data like I said. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, call their customer support and double check to see if your SIM card is activated and verified. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Lycamobile SIM card on an iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.